Hey everyone, welcome back to Tutorials by David. Today I'm giving you a quick and honest review of the Capital One Platinum Credit Card. One of the biggest perks is that it has no annual fee and no foreign transaction fees, which makes it easy to manage without extra cost. You can often get approved with fair or average credit, and Capital One will automatically review your account for a credit limit increase after about 6 months of responsible use. Plus, you get credit-wise access to monitor your credit score for free. However, there are some downsides. This card doesn't earn rewards or cashback, so you won't get any perks for everyday spending. It also has a high variable interest rate, meaning carrying a balance can get expensive. There's no welcome bonus or introductory APR offer either, so the value is really in credit building, not rewards. Overall, the Capital One Platinum Credit Card is a decent starter card if your main goal is building or improving your credit history without annual fees. If you want rewards and benefits, you might look at other cards once your credit improves.